This is where the fun starts. Welcome to part 2 of my Yosemite trip.
Ahí te va.
No me victimizo por las cosas por las que pasan.
I think he likes it.
One day later.
Hello girls, I'm doing you guys another voiceover because the next two clips were quite long. They were more of a enjoy the moment, enjoy the ride, and definitely enjoy the view. It was so gorgeous. All the leaves literally gave me fall vibes. This tunnel, it was so long, but it was so pretty. Also, I couldn't talk because of all the curves to get here. So if I talked or if I literally glanced to the side, I was definitely gonna throw up. But tell me it's not pretty. Just look at the view. Look, there's a street down there, right there. There's cars passing.
Damn, that shit doesn't even look good.
I know. I'm literally so dizzy.
It's trippy out here.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw up. This looks just like if I was standing right in front of a painting. It looks fake. It doesn't look real. But trust me, I was standing there. My legs were shaking. Whoa! On camera, it looks literally so different. Yeah. It changes the whole color. Ay. You see it? Okay. Oh. This is really scary because we're just walking on the sidewalk and there's like the freeway. And these like floor things, they move. I don't either. What is that?
Step right here where the cars can hit us. Take a little look.
I think this is all rock. Oh, how scary. See, I'm telling you guys, these things move. Oh, I think he found it. Yeah, it was scary right there. Did you find it? Oh, here, I dropped water on me. I ran and I didn't know it was open. We're on the street. Oh!
Put together?
Yeah. I have a flash on.
There you go. You have to put your flash on. Hold on. Really cool.
But I have my flash on. So it helps.
Slow down. Slow down. Right here. Yeah, come on. They didn't say toes out there, so you should go.
Yeah.
Unless we're the ones that are about to discover that there's a big ass hole. We get to the end, there's a big ass bear.
Oh. It's just a drop.
We're gonna have to fight him. You are.
Me?
Yeah, not me.
I'm like itty bitty. We're like literally walking between the rocks. Huh. It's just a hole.
Yeah, you can literally collapse.
Wait. We don't say that.
I didn't think we're just about to crawl out through here. You know, we're both skinny enough to be able to go through that little hole right there.
Yeah.
If not, a couple of days will be. Nah, yeah, just wait to get out. There you go.
Is it open? Oh!
So there's a big gap right there.
Yeah. I think that's locked because probably people like fall or something.
Some people fake it.
Really?
Yeah. This is awesome.
Look! It's all rock. Scary. It looks cool. It's awesome, huh? We're the only brave ones to come all the way over here.
Hello. How's it going?
Jeez, it's like 20 degrees. Right? It's like 20 degrees minus in here. Huh? You hear that? Like the air? Water just dropped on me.
I spit.
You know we're walking on rails?
Yeah.
It's like the train track rails, huh? Is that why they move? I was scared. Yeah. It's like all downhill. I can feel it. Oh. No. You literally no more footage ever. I hope you guys are enjoying the random voiceovers throughout the video. It was just too pretty not to film, okay? Okay, tell me this doesn't look something out of a movie or like a painting. Right? Exactly. That's what I'm saying. It looks exactly like something of that sort. And like the trees, the leaves, looks like we're going to Oregon. Do you guys like that I bring you guys along with me on my trips? Comment down below if you do, and I'll literally bring you guys on every single other trip. Oh, I can't see it close. Okay, I won't talk this time. I'll let you guys enjoy the view. I'll give you guys background music. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-da, da-da-da-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. Boo! I scared you, huh? Okay, enjoy the satisfying water sound. And we're still not done. We still have to keep going and go through the stairs. But it's really pretty over here. I'm like sweating. I have 2 sweaters. We're still walking and I'm sweating.
Yep.
We're almost there.
Let's make the video, right?
You're acting all out of breath. That's not even that hard.
No, I was. I've been.
Look at these leaves, you guys.
They're big, huh?
Yeah. I can make them into air.
What's right here?
Starts to go down. Never mind. It doesn't go anywhere. They're still good.
Big, right?
It's huge. Look at that tree. Look at the tree. It's all broken. You still have to keep going. She's all the way up there.
Hi, you guys. We
Hello,
have
sir.
a lot of stairs, right?
There's literally a lot of stairs. We're sitting down because we're getting dizzy.
And not.
So we have to wait here for a little bit.
Oh, show them the waterfall. You guys want to watch
We're
the
getting
fall?
dizzy. She's getting dizzy. That's why we sat here to take a small break.
Wait, let's show them the waterfall.
So we're taking a
real quick.
smaller break. But this is what our view looks like so far.
Yeah,
We still want to go all the way up there.
Yeah.
And then we'll probably film when we get all the way up there because it's
The
pretty
fog
hard
is
and
blocked.
we're sweating. She already took off her sweater. So
Yeah.
we'll
And
literally,
I have chili sweats.
yes, so
So-
we're literally going to see you guys up there
They're gonna see you guys
until
up
we
there.
make it and we'll see the awesomeness that's up there.
Yeah, let's go now.
So let's keep going. Okay, so let me tell you guys. I didn't make it all the way up there. Because, okay, let me tell you guys. Hold on. The stairs got too steep, so it got really hard to just keep going up. Also, this whole time we've been hiking for about 5 to 6 miles uphill. So it got pretty hard at some point. These clips were taken by my boyfriend because he made it all the way up there. Honestly, I should just keep going. I wasn't too far off from the top. But it looks really pretty. And then we hiked back down another 6 miles. And I seen the water right here. And I just wanted to record it for you guys. Because look how pretty it looks. It looks so clear. So beautiful. Like very, very natural. Very, like this is how water is supposed to be. That makes sense. Okay, girls. So I'm not going to film the rest of the trip. Well, this is our last day. But I'm not going to film it because we are going to like the big trees. And I kind of just want to like enjoy the rest of the trip. Well, the rest of the day here before we leave. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment if you liked this video or what was your favorite part of the video. And I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye!